Hello beautiful people, this is Izzy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to share with you guys very simple and easy brownies. This brownie does not need a lot of your time. It doesn't need a lot of ingredients. All you need is 4 simple ingredients, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys have already made before this particular cake mixture. So if you already did, you already know what you need. So for example, here on the back of the box it says you need 1 cup of water, half cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. I will not be using eggs because I'll tell you guys later. So I'll be using 3 tablespoons ground flaxseed instead of the eggs. So I already mixed the flaxseed into the water. It's been sitting on the side for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix the mixture into the oil. I'll be giving a quick mix, and then after I combine everything, now I'm gonna add the cake mixture, and I'll be baking at 350 degrees about 20 to 25 minutes. After you bake your cake, you can literally add whatever you like as topping. So I'll be using the dark chocolate frosting, and honestly guys, when I made this cake, less than an hour, it was all gone. My family loved it. We have a rule that we don't eat desserts Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sundays I do bake whatever my family requests. So for example, this brownie is one of them, and we usually eat cinnamon rolls, chocolate chip cookies, cakes, like ice cream. Like, we do enjoy the weekend, and then Monday through Friday we're fasting. Okay, so I know I said I'll be telling you guys later on why I'm not using eggs. So I have 2 kids who cannot have eggs whatsoever. They're severely allergic to eggs. They cannot have anything that contains or has eggs. So with that being said, the last 3 years I have been experimenting and making desserts without egg. And guys, I'm not even joking. It's really hard. I failed the first year, the second year, and I'm actually like getting better and better this year. So if you really like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I'll be sharing more good desserts going forward. Dessert that doesn't have any eggs. Literally, you can bake for your friend, for your family. If you know anyone who has egg allergies, you can literally bake this for them. And please go ahead and like again, and thank you so much for watching this video.